Hey guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you the BelleTress Caliente style in the beautiful new color Rose Gold. Now I have already done a wig review on the Caliente style. I will leave the link to that wig review under this video in the video description box. So if you'd like to see the whole wig review, click on that link and you'll be able to watch it right away. Now Caliente is a beautiful style with this deconstructed wave. It's an A-line that is longer here in the front. It consists of a hand-tied monofilament part and a sheer temple-to-temple lace front and heat-friendly fiber. So this is a really great style that you can do a lot with. Lots of styling versatility. But we are here to talk about the color. Rose Gold is a blend of blondes. We're talking platinum blondes, pale blondes, and it has pink that's mixed in with a light brown root. Now when we talk about the light brown root, it's not as dark as say a 6 or an 8. It's a little bit lighter than that. So if you're looking for a root that's a light brown, you will definitely like this style. Well, let's take a closer look at this beautiful color outside in natural light. If you're interested in purchasing Caliente or any of the beautiful BelleTress styles in the color Rose Gold, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear Caliente or you have worn one of the BelleTress styles in Rose Gold, we would love to hear your opinion of the style and color. Please subscribe. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive alerts every time I post a new wig review, color comparison video, how-to video, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.